Hello everyone, today I am going to show you one very common issue with Nuke merge node, and that is transparency issue. This video particularly show that why this particular issue occur. Okay, so let's start with Nuke. So see, here I have one background and I have one image. This image is JPEG. Now when we merge this thing, okay, so this has background and this has foreground, and if I show these things and you see that my plane is vanish in my background. Now see, same thing when we deal with Fusion or After Effects, what happened? Let me see that thing. See here, same image JPEG and same background. Now if I merge both this thing, okay, it give me proper result that definitely I can only show the content of my foreground. So why this thing happen properly in Fusion and why not that thing properly happen in Nuke? So the basic thing is that first of all you need to understand this is my JPEG image, okay, and in JPEG by default there is only 3 channels: red, green and blue. So I have red, green and blue, and there is no alpha information. See, if I press A, the alpha content is black. That means there is no alpha in JPEG image. So Nuke never create automatically any channel. While see in the Fusion or in After Effects, if I see this JPEG image, it create one white alpha by default. So the solution is very simple. What I have to do, I just create one shuffle and I set my alpha white, and now if I see these things, now it give me proper result. So first of all we need to understand that why this thing happened when the alpha is black. At that time, why this content look like it semi-transparent or dissolve with background and all those stuff. So before that I have one more image, that is PNG file, and it contain alpha information. Okay, now if I merge this thing, it merge properly, okay, like that. So first of all you need to know why this problem happen. So I have one small presentation for that, and we go through that presentation and I'll try to understand why this thing is happen. So let's see Nuke merge node transparency issue. So before that we need to understand the process of composition. So basically we need to understand that how background and foreground merge through over blending mode, because by default the blending mode is over. So let's see our background, we call it as B, is this is my foreground A, and this is the alpha of my foreground. I represent it as small a. So the over blending mode or the over operation, the calculation of that over operation is this: A plus B into 1 minus A. So A is my foreground, so that means foreground plus background into 1 minus alpha of foreground, and 1 minus A, that means invert of my alpha basically. So let's see the process. So this is my 1 minus A. Now we need to multiply with this thing. So this result me, because this is 1, this is 0. So 1 multiply with color and 0 multiply with any color, it give you result black. So this is the result. Now we need to A plus B into 1 minus A. So that means here the content is black. Okay, that means 0. 0 plus color, color. Okay, for example, I consider green plus 0, green. And here yellow plus 0, yellow. So I get this result. Now in our case, that transparency issue, at that time what is there? At that time alpha is 0 because I use JPEG image and there is no alpha information available in JPEG image. So the alpha is equal to 0. So with same equation what the thing is happen. So now let's consider background is B, foreground is A and your alpha is 0. So first of all, A plus B into 1 minus A, that means this is 1 minus A, the invert of your alpha. So my alpha is black, then the invert of my alpha is white. Now we need to multiply that thing with your background. So it gives me the same result as background because definitely my alpha is white, that is means 1. So 1 into B is equal to B. Now here the equation is A plus B into 1 minus A, that means A plus B. So it give me result that A plus B. That means when my alpha is black, at that time background and foreground add in each other. So that's why it give me this result. Now when alpha is 1, so what at that time happen? So same way A plus B into 1 minus A. So this is my 1 minus A, that means that is it become black. Now you need to apply, you multiply that thing with background. So definitely 0 multiply with anything, it becomes 0. So here my result is 0. And now A plus B into 1 minus A, that means A plus 0 is equal to A. So I get only foreground. Okay, so now you understand the process and why this thing is happen. So there is nothing called automatically. Technically in After Effects and Fusion they create alpha automatically, and technically they give maybe a wrong result or automatic result, I say, not say wrong result. So hope you understand the concept behind compositing and why this thing happens, especially when you deal first time with Nuke, this problem is happen. So now you take care of this problem. Okay, so hope you like this tutorial. See you soon with another. Thank you.